Hi guys, I honestly keep forgetting that I'm vlogging. I always keep forget that I've been forgetting that I'm vlogging. But anyway, wow, it's been a while. How are you guys doing? Yeah, I know we didn't have a video last week, so that sucks. But it's been a while. Let's really happy. Is everyone doing all right? I think I'm doing all right. Anyway, it's Friday today. I'm actually very late because it's a minute to 1 and my appointment is at 1. And I think, but I'm close. I'm like 5 minutes to where I'm going. So I'm just going for a checkup with my gynae. Yeah, there's those things that we girls, this robot is not working. There are some of those things that we girls need to do. So yeah, I'm going to visit my gynae and then I'm probably gonna go back to work depending on what time I come back, because I'm actually supposed to be working. I decided to work from home today because obviously I wanted to go see my gynae for my lunch in a way, use my lunch time to go visit the doctor. So yeah, so I'm supposed to be working, so I'll see what time I finish. If I finish earlier, maybe I might go back to work. If not, oops. But I mean, like, work, I knock off at 2, I mean, on Fridays. So chances are that I'm gonna be back by 2. So I guess it's over. The day's over for me. But yeah, I just wanted to check in and say hi. I mustn't miss much. No, I'm not gonna. I mustn't miss where I'm turning because I'm talking to you guys. But otherwise, that is all we're doing today. We're just gonna go to the doctor and that'll probably be all. I don't have any other plans for the rest of the day. Tomorrow I was supposed to meet up with a friend for lunch, but the sole purpose of the lunch was to try out a new restaurant, like a certain restaurant, but then that restaurant is fully booked for the weekend. It's fully booked for the weekend. Next weekend, I can't do next weekend because I have other commitments for next weekend. The other weekends, I'm going to be working. So the only other time we can do this is really, it's in December, sometime in December. So that's what we're going to do. We said we'll make it for some time in December. Fucking hell. I don't understand the people who drive here in their heads, because how do you just stop at a robot and in the middle of the road like that? But anyway, that's it from me. So yeah, so then tomorrow I can't do that lunch I was supposed to do. So now I don't have any other plans for the weekend. My boyfriend has been telling me to rest because I'm literally, he's like, rest, go rest, you've been using too much money. So he's happy that my lunch got cancelled, which sucks. I'm not happy that my lunch got cancelled, but it is what it is. I will try it out some other time. But yeah, I'm about to get where I'm going. I just wanted to say hi, see if you guys are good, because I'm good. I like to believe I'm good. Okay, bye guys. I just want to say that the security at this place I'm going probably hates me. Because this is the second time it's going to happen that these guys only take cash. Like, you have to pay for the parking, and these guys only take cash. And you know what? I never have cash at all. So I'm already dreading right now that I'm going into this parking, and when I come out, we're going to have an issue because your girl, hey, it is what it is. I don't have money. I don't have cash.
A few moments later.
I did say that it'll be 2 by the time I leave here, right? The time is currently 2 o'clock, but I'm done. And because I'm not a terrible person, I went and got myself like a young shake nyana so that I can get cash to pay for the parking. I'm not a terrible person, okay? But yep, let us go home. No credit card, on the highway, I swear to you guys, I have bad luck when it comes to banks. That's my issue. I think I need a banker because all of these things, all of these unnecessary things that I go through with your banks, guys. So I went to Chicken Licken, as you guys saw, and I'm trying to buy wings, obviously. Chicken Licken. How jiggy when I try to tap my card, it doesn't work. I tried tapping my card and it wasn't working. So yeah, so I got a new card and I changed the pin that came with the card. So I changed the pin, and then it said obviously I need to swipe it a few times. I went after changing the pin to go swipe my card. It didn't want to use my new pin, so I've been tapping my way through life because I can't put in a pin. But now it doesn't want to tap at all. And the same thing happened yesterday when I was at the garage trying to pour petrol. Did it not say that my pin is wrong? So the new pin that I put in says it's wrong. And now when I was here, it said it didn't want to tap. So I'm just gonna have to go inside the branch. Hate banks. Hi guys. Ooh, you guys probably hate this bucket head by now. But honestly, it makes my life so much easier. It's obviously the next day. I didn't really do much. The rest of yesterday we're pretty much actually just chilling and drinking. And I hate that because it ruined my day today, because all I did today is eat and sleep, which sucks because then I couldn't do the things that I wanted to do, but I'm doing them now. And the time is 5 o'clock. I'm only doing the things I was supposed to do at 5 o'clock. Who does that? Shops close, could you? But anyway, I was able to get to this place before they close. I think I just showed you. It's called Essence Beauty, and I went to get some lashes. I needed new eyelashes, and I went and got these eyelashes. Let me show you. I feel like the lighting is terrible in here. I'll probably show you guys again when I'm home. But I got these ones in number 6, and I can't wait. I'll show you when I get home. I feel like you can't really see, but yeah. I got it at that place. These ones were 200. Yeah, they were 200. So yeah, I actually thought I was gonna get here and it would be closed, so I'm glad that it wasn't closed. So yeah, I just needed some new eyelashes, and then from here, oh no, the place is, I told you that it's called Essence Hair. The place where I got the eyelashes is called Essence Hair. I think I just showed you, and it's in Fourways. It's at a complex called, I will let you know the name of the complex in a minute, because I found this place I found the hair salon on Instagram, and you can, so I figured I might as well just drive straight here because it's not so far from me. It's called the Buzz Shopping Center in Fourways. But yeah, from here I'm also just gonna go to the Fourways Mall. I want to go to that Clicks there because they have a huge Revolution section at their Clicks there, and my sister wanted me to get her some Prime or something like that. I'll show you guys when I get there. So that is where I am headed. From here I'm sweating, it's so hot. I feel like this day, it's so hot. But yeah, I'm gonna go to that Fourways Mall, to the Clicks. guys, welcome to another day of this vlog, however messy it is. I am very late, but I'm going for some drinks with some colleagues to celebrate a colleague who's expecting a baby girl. And yeah, I'm very late. We're supposed to be meeting at 4 o'clock, and well, it's like 12 minutes to 5 now, so I'm very late. I'm gonna have to go. I just wanted to say, because finally in this vlog there's a day where I come looking pretty. I've been coming to this vlog wearing the bucket hat, so finally I come to y'all looking like a decent being. So I actually did very minimal makeup. I just have like the minimal. I don't even put eyelashes on, but I'm sweating. Phew. Hi. Let me get going, okay? I'll catch up with you guys. I don't know how I feel about my hair. It's too big. I don't like that it looks big. So anyway, I'm already too late, so let me just head out. See you guys. Hi guys, I am the birds. I'm very late, so I'm going to try to. Yo, these birds, child. I'm going to try to eat and do my makeup at the same time because there's no time. I have to leave in 30 minutes and I still haven't done my face. The good news though is that I'm trying to go for a very minimal look, so hopefully this shouldn't take a while. Ugh, I just hate that I haven't done my eyebrows yet. I feel like my eyebrows take so much time. There is really no time. Ugh, I hate myself for this. I woke up so late. Ugh. I woke up so late. I don't even... I was feeling so tired from last night. And it's not like I drank a lot or anything. I just feel... Oh, Petra, your makeup is everywhere. I want the thing for my eyebrows, like the gel for my eyebrows, so that they can stay in place. But you know what? Your girl doesn't know where she placed it. I need to sort my makeup out. I'm going to be moving at the end of this month, and I think when I move, I'm gonna put my makeup stuff together in one place and in peace. I've never done my eyebrows with you guys, ne? But I use this. It's the Wet n Wild one. I was looking for the Essence one, but I couldn't find it, so I'm using this Wet n Wild one. Yeah, but you know what, guys? Fuck, I don't have time. The mega clear brow and lash thingy. Oh fuck, I really don't have time. I shouldn't even be talking because, like I said, I don't have time. But I'm doing a very minimal look, like I mentioned, so hopefully it shouldn't take a while. Ugh, this is messed up. So I do this and then I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit, which means food. If you ever wondered what I use on my eyebrows, this is the eyebrow pencil I use. I bought from like those Chinese people. I also have another Revlon one, but I honestly prefer the one I bought at the Chinese store. I don't know, I just feel like the color is perfect for me. I think maybe that Revlon one, when I got it, I think the reason I don't like it so much is because of the color, but it's a bit darker than this, like it's going more towards black, while this one is more brown. So I think that's why I prefer this one more. But that one is also a good one. I've used it a couple of times. This is literally how I do my eyebrows. It's really nothing hectic. It's everything you can learn from YouTube, child. I've watched a whole lot of videos too. And you see, the thing with eyebrows is that it's okay if you don't get the shape that you want. You'll deal with everything when you conceal your brows. My face is just too oily for me right now. Honestly, I do my eyebrows different all the time, guys. There's also another thing that I broke. I still need to fix. It's like an eyeshadow from MAC that I sometimes use as well for my brows, and it's also a very good one. Actually, that's the first one I used when I started doing my eyebrows. I saw it from my sister, so that's the first one that I used. I'll show it to you guys sometime. I don't have time to be searching for things all over my makeup because, like I said, my makeup is everywhere. Yo, I'm so late, but I don't even know why I'm filming because I'm late, child. Oh, you're so frustrating. I'm really so late. See, they look like crazy. But do not worry. We will deal with it when we conceal. There's so much noise here. There's the birds. Sometimes there's dogs. Can't wait to leave this place. I look like a madman. Madman. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal my eyebrows. I usually just put it on my hand. Yo, it's finished. It's everything finishing for me. Like I have money for new makeup. Ugh. And I'm gonna use this brush. Then I got it Komakuli. And then I tap, 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 tap. Man. You guys are giving me pressure. Ach, I was trying to. The top part is the most problematic part for me. I struggle with the top. The way I'm so used to my own face, I wonder if I'll ever be able to do another person's makeup. I should actually try. I want to try to do someone else's makeup someday, so if you want me to do your makeup, holla. Jay, just nothing big, no payments or whatever. I just want to see. I'm probably gonna play with my sisters, but I just wonder if I'll ever be able to do another person, because I've never done anybody else's makeup besides mine. So I really wonder. I should go play with my sister during these holidays. That's if there'll even be time. I'm so used to my these brows. See what I mean when I say you guys are giving me pressure? I need everything to look as natural as possible, but it don't look like it will. I'm just gonna continue with my face and come back to the brows later. I wasn't sure which hair I was going to wear, but I think I'm just going to wear the curly one because it doesn't need to be glued or anything, and also there's no time, so I don't like putting in a lot of foundation if I'm going to be putting on that hair, especially on my forehead. Also, I'm trying to go for a very natural look. We'll see. I feel like I'm already putting on too much foundation. Sooner, papa, you blow my mind, just like ecstasy. This is too much. This is more than I had wanted. This is a lot, huh? Oh, child, I heard a lot of foundation.
eventually.
Okay guys, I just came to show you the final look. This hair has been feeling too much lately, like it's just been feeling too big, but I came to show you the final look. This is my simple look. I know I didn't film all of this, but there's absolutely no time. I'm actually running out of time as it is right now, so I should get going.
You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you tell yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're the star. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh.
Hi guys. The lighting is better this side, but I honestly have nothing to say. Just hide. Say hi. Hi, Bo. Shy. Oh, shy. Chiro shy, guys.
You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you tell yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see.
Hi guys. It's obviously the next day. I'm a chocolate here, but she says she's shy. But we decided to come to the market because what else is there to do on a? But also, what else is there to do on a Sunday, right? Besides the market
and
relax. And relax. I know I want a cocktail. It's still very early for me. I can have as many drinks as I want. And then, but yeah, no, we're actually very hungry. What type of stuff do they have? What is this? What is this? This is like burgers. Let's see what they have. Okay, that looks good. What else is there? Yeah. Anything that kind of makes me food, but it must have meat in it. But actually, I had like, well, it wasn't mine. The other person was having it, like a vegetarian curry for 10 and 10. It was so nice, friend. It was so nice. It was a vegetarian curry for 10 and 10. If you're vegetarian, go try out the vegetarian curry for 10 and 10. You will enjoy it.
one thing about me.
You want your meat chopped.
You want
your meat. Okay, but I think we might just go back to that burger here. I don't see anything else. Or do you know something else that I don't?
Something fresh.
You want it?
No, not even know. It's something fresh.
Okay, no, you see their burgers don't look nice as those burgers there. Yo, it's so hot. Fuck. I saw something that looks like a bar situation.
Wait.
But I want food, so I feel like
Okay, let's go get the burgers.
let's go get the burgers now.
Just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star.
Grilled steak. What else? What do you want?
What's this food?
I'm definitely buying this one. Gotcha. Here? Looks nice, no? Which one do you want? I think yeah. Which one do you want?
So this is the content.
Yeah, this is the menu for.
Because then I just
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. Could I please have? Do you want the same? Which one do you want?
Yeah, the same.
The beef burger, bacon, and mozzarella cheese.
How many? 5?
No, 2.
2 burgers?
It's fine. Chiro says it's fine. Chiro means Chiro come ready today. Guya, hello.
You're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh.
Baby girl.
See what you gonna do?
Let's look at the menu, ne?
Just one that.
Yes, you say anything else.
Alcohol is? Is what? Oh, it's killing the youth. I have until 5 o'clock.
That's your captain.
I have until 5 o'clock. I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm literally waiting outside, waiting for food. But I'm going to end this vlog here because there's nothing else to do and I want this vlog to go up. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. See you in the next one.
You're the best part.